The story of the Zamzam well is a powerful testament to faith and divine providence in Islam. Here's how the miraculous well came to be. Prophet Abraham, following Allah's command, left his wife Hajar, Hagar, and their infant son Ishmael in the barren valley of Mecca. With only a small supply of food and water, they were left alone in the scorching desert. As their provisions dwindled, Hajar became desperate to find water for her thirsty child. She ran back and forth 7 times between the hills of Safa and Marwa, frantically searching for any sign of water. Exhausted and near despair, Hajar returned to Ismail and found water gushing forth from the ground beneath his tiny feet. Hajar said Zamzam to stop the overflow, and since then it has been named Zamzam water. This miraculous spring, sent by Allah, became known as the Zamzam well. The well's abundant water attracted nomadic tribes to the valley, leading to the establishment of a thriving community around the sacred site. The Zamzam well became an essential source of sustenance for pilgrims visiting the Kaaba, which was later rebuilt by Ibrahim and Ismail. The Zamzam well remains a sacred symbol of Allah's mercy and provision. Its water is believed to have healing properties and is highly valued by Muslims worldwide. Pilgrims to Mecca drink from the well and carry its water back home as a blessed gift. The story of Zamzam is a reminder of the unwavering trust in Allah and the power of His divine intervention, even in the most challenging circumstances. It continues to inspire millions of Muslims who visit the well every year during their pilgrimage to Mecca.